Hi everybody and welcome back and happy Valentine's Day. I hope you've had a wonderful day, and whether you're going out this evening or not, I know that you want to pamper yourself a little, so this is the perfect day for it. And I have just the thing. You know, when you go to have a manicure and you're finished and your cuticles look great and you've chosen just the right nail color and you kind of glance down at your hands all day thinking, that's not so bad. Well, this is almost as good, and it's something you can do before you go out this evening, or if you are at home watching your favorite TV show, then this is the perfect time for it, and that's a hand mask. There are so many choices of brands of hand masks. It's amazing. And within the brand, there are other choices. For instance, I was at Sephora, and Sephora has a brand, and this was an aloe vera, and we all know how great aloe vera is on our skin. And then they have an avocado. And this is at Sephora also. It is not a Sephora, the Sephora brand. It's Dermask, D-E-R-M-A-S-K, hand hydrating mask. And it feels warm, and it's perfect for those cold, dry nights when you can just put these on for a while, have a cup of tea, and snuggle in. And that warming agent is wonderful and makes the hands so soft. The Aveeno is a nourishing hand mask. It's prebiotic oat. Now these I got on Amazon. Amazon had them for right at $5. All of the Sephora ones were $5. And then I found the Earth Therapeutics. It's the anti-aging retinol hand mask. It is one of those products that I love because you know I love the Earth Therapeutics eye patches, the collagen hydrogel under eye patch. Love these and have run through numerous boxes of them. So I thought I had to try the hand mask, and I do like this as well because it's paraben free, no mineral oil, and it has no sulfates, no artificial colors, no animal testing. So I am testing out all these products, but I want to show you how you put these on and what to expect when you buy them and open the package. But first I need to take off my rings, so I'll get right back to you. Okay, I'm going to open this package of Earth Therapeutics and show you how it's done. I found these Earth Therapeutic anti-aging retinol hand masks at Kohl's, and they were 2 pair for $9. So actually that's a little bit better buy than some of the others. So you just take them out of the package and you wash your hands first and dry them, which I've already done when I took my rings off. And then you take these apart. This is 1 pair. The 2 pair that you get at Kohl's come in 2 separate packages in a box. You take the gloves apart like this, and of course the product is inside the glove. You put that on, and it feels a little, it's very wet. It feels a little bit slimy, but that's probably maybe a glycerin in there. I'll have to check. And then you take the tab, see this little tab right here? You take the paper off that, and I'm telling you to do it, and it's difficult with your left hand if you're a right-handed person, but there you go. I took that off, and see, it's just a piece of tape, and wrap that around, and that way it has a nice tight fit, and you don't have to worry about it dripping on anything. So do that. Now the trick is, well, the tricky part is doing the other hand. So what I'm going to do is I've discovered this in another time, take the tab off before you put it on the other hand, because you have this hand in a glove and it makes it difficult. So put that on and take the tab and wrap it around, and you can leave these on. Actually the Earth Therapeutics wants you to leave them on about 30 minutes, but you can leave them on longer. 20 to 30 minutes However, you may keep them on longer, which is what I do. You know, I always think that if 30 minutes is good, 45 minutes is even better. And so I just go about my business and watch my favorite TV show and hope that I take these off and they have fabulous soft skin, which they do. Now these you're going to have to try as many as you can, but if you run across your absolute favorite, stick with it, because you're going to love them, especially this time of year when everything's so dry and we're constantly moisturizing our skin. This gives you a deep tissue moisturizing, and I like to just try to warm it up a little bit, because I like the fact that this feels warm, this Dermax. The others I haven't found do that. They don't feel as warm, but I'm sure they work just as well. But there you go. Well, there's my arm. 30 minutes. So we're going to take up. By the way, you can use your phone with these on. Isn't that lovely? Nothing like being held captive by a pair of gloves. So we're going to take these off. See how moist your hands are? Look at that. And you do not have to rinse this off. If you want to, you could, but it's actually quite a bit in there still. And then you just rub it into your hands, and I rub it on my arms because we don't want to waste it. And I just leave it in because it'll dry, and you just go on with your projects that you have going on. Of course, if you have to cook, you probably need to wash your hands, but I usually do this late in the evening, so I don't have to do that. And I hope you have fun testing out all of these hand masks, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you have, and I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Please tap the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Bye!